everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my final Partners in Cream update for you. This is the absolute last update of the year. The next time I do anything on this project, it will be the finale. So, we'll see what I can do in the next month. I have finished 3 products in here. Actually, one was a usage. I met the goal on that, and 2 of them were to finish. So I'm very happy about that. This project, if I didn't say it already, this is like the 3rd year, so most people probably already know about this project. It's all about getting use out of your cream products, your liquids, your gels, anything that's going to go bad faster than powder products. So no powder products allowed. And yeah, just use your cream stuff and don't let it go bad. This was created by Steph and Delyn. Of course, they're going to be listed down below. I'm pretty sure there's a playlist, but if not, I'm sure there's a hashtag down there. I can't always remember things, especially since, some things, it's been a while since I've updated, but you know how that goes. So yeah, I have 2 products in here right now. These 2 right here, and neither one of them is done, but I do have some progress, which I'm very, very happy for. I'm actually wearing both of them right now. Of course I am, because I'm filming this update. Pardon me. My throat's been feeling a little funky. Got my water right here. Allergy season. Gotta love it. January 10th to December 10th, that is the run on this. I'm pretty sure it's coming back next year, but don't quote me on it because I have not verified that yet. All the details are going to be down there, and let's do this. Let's do my update with my 2 little products right here. All right, the first one is the Bobbi Brown Cream Shadow Stick, and this is in the color Shore, like as in seashore, and that's all that's left. It's a tiny little bit. It was brand new except for like one use because I wanted to try it out before I brought it into this project, and I've used the heck out of it. I use it all the time. I like to use it on my brow bone. It's like perfect shade for me. Look at all of the lines that I've put on here. That's where I am, way down here. That bad boy is going to be done by the next update. I'm like 99.9% sure that that is going to happen. It will be a nice empty. I enjoy it a whole lot. I would consider purchasing this again. This one was actually sent to me in PR, but I really like it. It's very creamy and it doesn't really budge or anything. I really enjoy it a whole lot, and it would be something that I would consider purchasing. I don't know where it's made, and I don't know its cruelty-free status. It's made in Italy. So, I'd have to check into that a little bit more, but I did enjoy it quite a bit. All right, the next one, Bite Beauty. We know these go bad quick. It's part of the reason why I wanted to put it into this project. I do have it on my lips today. This is in the color Maple. I'm going to show you what I have left. It doesn't look like a lot, but it is a red. It is like a brick red, and I do enjoy it. I feel like it suits my skin tone, but I'm not usually a bold lip kind of girl, but I am enjoying this quite a bit. You can see my progress lines on here, making a little bit of progress. This is one I am not sure if I'm going to finish, but I'm going to try really hard to do this. Part of the reason I've had slow, consistent progress on this one is because it's a red lipstick. It's not something I was going to wear during summer. Not that I could have anyway because of the summer I had, but I had multiple other products that were kind of a conflict with this in other projects. Most of those are done now, and I'm working on one other bullet lipstick that's almost done. It's like so close. Probably this week it'll be done. So then this is going to be my primary bullet lipstick to work on. We'll see how it goes. If I don't finish it, I'm going to be okay with it. I probably will just continue to work on it through the rest of the year, since I will have 21 more days to finish. I had to think about the math on that one. Who knows? That gives me an extra 3 weeks beyond the finale. So if I can't finish by finale, I will probably just continue to work on it, and I might be able to get it done in that 3 weeks, depending on how much is left at finale. So we shall see. Who knows? We've got a month to get her done, so to speak. And, you know, time will tell. Definitely go check out Steph and Dylan. They're going to be listed down below. Pretty darn sure there's a spreadsheet or a playlist or something down there in the description box. So, yeah. And hopefully by the finale, I will know if this is coming back. I'm still kind of out of the loop, catching up on everyone's videos. It's a lot. It is a whole lot because I follow thousands of people on YouTube. Thousands, because there's a lot of really cool people, and I can't keep up with all the videos because, you know, I'm just one person. There's not enough time in a day to watch all the videos of all the people that I'm subscribed to. What you gonna do? All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.